Hi guys, welcome back to Drinks and More, where we'll make cocktails, mocktails, all drinks for all occasions and for everyone. With Mother's Day upon us, I thought to share with us three classic yet easy and amazing cocktail recipes that we can share with the women in our lives to mark that day. Now, for information, UK will be celebrating Mother's Day next Sunday, which is the 19th of March. So the first cocktail I'll be sharing with us is the lemon drop cocktail. Now for this cocktail recipe, I'll be needing vodka, triple sec. Now I'm going to be using Contru as my orange liqueur. Um, of course, lemon juice and some simple syrup. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to be using my shaker for this recipe. I'm going to pour in 2 ounces of vodka in my shaker. So I'll be needing 1 ounce of Contru, 1 ounce freshly squeezed lemon juice. Remember, we're making a lemon drop. And then 1 ounce simple syrup. Now I already have ice in my shaker. I'm just going to go ahead and shake for 10 to 15 seconds or until my shaker feels cold outside. Now I'm going to go ahead and strain into my glass. Here you have it, guys, your lemon drop. I'm just going to go ahead and garnish with a lemon slice. So here you have it, guys, your lemon drop cocktail. Now the next recipe on our list is the gin sling, another very easy recipe. Now this recipe is going to be built in the glass. So I have my tall glass here. I'm going to go ahead with 1 ounce of London dry gin, 1 ounce of London dry gin in my glass, 20 ml freshly squeezed lemon juice, simple syrup. I'm using 1 ounce of simple syrup. And finally, I'll be adding 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Now I'm going to go ahead and stir. Top my tall glass with some ice. Now I'm going to go ahead and top up with some tonic water. Feel free to use soda water. I'll stir once more. And I'll garnish with a sprig of rosemary and a lemon wheel. Enjoy. Now, for our final recipe, we're going to be making a colorful cocktail. I'll be making the Georgia peach cocktail. Now, for this recipe, I'll be needing my rum, peach schnapps, freshly squeezed orange juice, and some cranberry juice. So I'm going to go in. This cocktail is built in a glass. I'm going to go in with 1 ounce white rum. I'm using the Bacardi. Next, I'm going to go in with 1 ounce peach schnapps. I love me some peaches. And 2 ounces freshly squeezed oranges. Feel free to use store-bought if that's what you have available. But trust me, it's going to taste better when you're using freshly squeezed oranges. I can already smell the peach. And I'm just going to give this a good stir. I'm just going to go ahead and top up with a little more orange juice. And I'll go in with a dash of cranberry juice or 1 ounce. I'm using ocean spray. So that's it. You just want, you know, the color. The cranberry is basically just to beautify the drink. We're not making a sex on the beach. So you just pour the cranberry in the middle of your drink. Now you go ahead, garnish with a mint sprig and an orange wheel. Here you have it, guys. Your Georgia peach. So here you have it, guys. The 3 cocktail recipes that you can make for your Mandarin Sunday. Which of these 3 recipes will you be trying? Will you be trying out the gin sling, the lemon drop, or the Georgia peach? Trust me, they all taste amazing, and it's a hit if you're going to follow this recipe as I have shown you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.